Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Clarion TechSights, the podcast that takes you behind the scenes of the incredible solutions crafted by our talented here at Clarion Technologies. I am Amit Hiremat, your host, and I couldn't be more excited to kick off this series. In just a few minutes, you will discover how our teams are solving real world challenges, both for our clients and internally, through creativity, expertise, and innovative approaches. Each episode will highlight the story of one or more of our team members' journey in tackling a unique challenge, providing insights you can apply to your own work. For the very first episode, we are thrilled to welcome Gaurav Pratap, a tech lead in our testing practice. Gaurav recently developed a groundbreaking automation strategy for our client, Focus, and he's here to share his experience, the challenges, and the impact of his solution. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Welcome, Gaurav. Thanks for joining us today. Could you start by introducing yourself and give us a brief overview of the project or initiative you will be sharing with us?
Thanks, Amit. I'm Gaurav Pratap, and I've been part of Clarion for over 2 years, working on projects like real-time solutions, Suncore, and Flim. My focus has been on functional and non-functional test automation.
Mhm.
Today, I'm excited to discuss the automation strategy we devised for a Focus project. Although development for Focus is ongoing, we have made significant strides in designing a scalable test automation framework that supports web, mobile, and API testing.
That's interesting. Let's talk about the problem you are solving. What specific challenges did the customer face and why were they critical?
The client needed an automation framework that could test mobile and web applications alongside APIs, all within a unified platform, basically. They also wanted an automated way of recording test scripts to save time and preferred viewing execution videos of execution videos for review.
Got it.
The manual testing process was proving time consuming and inefficient.
Mhm.
The client wanted to shift to automation, but without the overhead of writing extensive code. It was a critical step to improve speed and reliability while reducing the costs.
Got it. Got it. How did you approach solving this? Could you just walk us through the key steps, please?
Certainly, here's how we tackled it. We began by evaluating various tools that could support automation testing for web, mobile, and API within a single framework. Next, we explored the frameworks which could unify these testing needs under a common code base. This led us to integrate the tools into a behavior-driven development framework with Cucumber and Page Object Model. And
Mhm.
finally, we refined the approach to ensure seamless integration with the customer's workflows while enhancing reusability and maintainability.
Okay. So, were there any specific tools or methodologies that stood out during this?
Absolutely. The BDD Cucumber framework was pivotal because it made test scenarios and steps easily understandable,
Mhm.
even for non-technical stakeholders. This accessibility built confidence across the team. We also leveraged WebDriverIO for its ability to handle web, mobile, and API testing within a unified environment.
Okay. What was the final solution and how did it impact the customer?
The solution we delivered utilized WebDriver IO with BDD Cucumber based framework,
Mhm.
fulfilling the client requirements for test script automation and video reporting. The customer was highly satisfied with the demo as it
Mhm. Right.
aligned perfectly with their needs. While full implementation is still underway, the feedback so far has been overwhelmingly positive, and the framework's modularity promises scalability for future projects.
Cool. And were there any measurable results or metrics to highlight?
As of now, we have completed the POC and initial demos. We expect to gather more concrete metrics as the framework is deployed across more test cases.
Cool. Looking back, what were the biggest challenges or the lessons did you learn from this project?
One of the biggest challenges was finding a tool that could manage web, mobile, and API testing together without creating separate repositories for each.
Got it.
Achieving a unified framework required extensive research and experimentation. Another key takeaway was recognizing the importance of minimizing manual efforts during framework creation. We have identified areas where automation can streamline even the script recording process in the future.
That's fascinating, Gaurav. What's next for you and your team? Are there any other exciting projects that you're looking at in pipeline?
Yes, indeed. We are already applying the learnings from this project to upcoming initiatives, focusing on features like common code base, video reporting, and enhanced automation capabilities. So these enhancements will further strengthen our delivery excellence.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing your insights, Gaurav. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on our very first episode. I'm sure your experience will inspire and inform many of our colleagues. This is to all. Thank you all for joining us for this debut episode of TechSights. Today, we explored how Gaurav and his team devised an innovative automation testing strategy for our customer focus. In our next episode, we'll dive into another unique challenge that required a creative blend of advanced technology and out of the box thinking. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.